here's how you can create a folder in GitHub. So open up the repository you want to create the folder in. Then where you can see code, go to the left of it and there'll be a plus icon. Click on that and then click create new file. From here, what you can do is you can create a folder name. I'll just call it test. Once you've typed in the name, enter slash. So type in slash on the keyboard. That will then create a folder. From here, you can go ahead and then name a file which you can put in the folder. So give this a name. I'm just going to put A. This can be any file. We're going to delete this later. Then commit changes, and you've essentially created your folder. So if we go back to the project, here you can see the test folder, which we can open. We can now click add file and upload any files needed to this folder. Upload the files, click commit changes. Now you can go ahead and click on the file we just created that we don't need. You can then go to the three dots in the top right, scroll down and click delete file. And there you go, you've created a folder. And that's all you have to do. I hope that video helped you out.